Six hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.2 and a premium design too. Today we are checking out the ABREE BT1040 True Wireless Earbuds. The packaging looks clean, modern and surprisingly premium for the price. Front side of the box we can see Bluetooth 5.2, 17.6 hours total playtime, IPX5 water resistant, Siri and Google support. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, you get ABREE BT1040 earbuds with charging case. Charging cable. The earbuds features a clean and minimal design with a sleek matte black finish. The charging case is compact and pocket friendly, making it easy to carry around. They are also lightweight and comfortable, so you can wear them for long listening sessions without discomfort. These earbuds come with the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology for a fast and stable wireless connection. Pairing is quick and seamless, and the connection stays stable during calls, music, and video streaming. You also get Siri and Google Assistant support for hands-free control. Now let's talk about sound quality, and honestly, it sounds pretty impressive. The bass feels deep and punchy, while vocals remain clear and balanced. For casual gaming, movies, and everyday music listening, these earbuds perform really well. One of the biggest highlights here is the massive 76 hours total battery backup, and with IPX5 water resistant. They are great for workouts, travel, and daily outdoor use. If you are looking for stylish budget earbuds with long battery life and solid sound quality, the ABREE BT1040 is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.